Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. Today's topic is simplification of rational expression, which is from class 10 Compulsory Mathematics. Dear students, this question is frequently asked in essay examinations. Here we go. Dear students, the question is simplify 4x square plus y square divided by 4x square minus y square minus 2x minus y divided by 2x plus y. So dear students, in this question we are given two rational expression and we have to simplify it. That means we have to change it into lowest term. We have to change into lowest form. Here we go. Dear students, while simplifying the given two rational expression, at first we have to look at the denominators. At first we have to factorize the denominators if it is possible. So let's look at the first rational expression. Dear students, we know that rational expression means an expression which is given in the form of p by q, or we can say p divided by q, where q is not equal to 0. So the first rational expression is 4x square plus y square divided by 4x square minus y square. So this means the denominator of the first rational expression is 4x square minus y square, which we can easily factorize by using the formula of a square minus b square. The first term we can change into square form because 4 is a square number, and the second term is already in the square form. So this means always keep in the mind, if the given two terms, if the difference of any given two terms can be changed in the square form, in that case we have to factorize the expression by using the formula of a square minus b square. So dear students, let us first factorize the denominator. That means 4x square we can write as 2x whole square minus y is already in the square form. So keeping the numerator as it is, that means upper term keeping as it is, and the denominator we have changed in the square form. That means we have changed in the a square minus b square form. Minus, now the second rational expression keeping as it is, because we cannot factorize the denominator of the second rational expression. So dear students, at first we have to factorize the denominators if it is possible. Then in the next step we have to take the LCM of denominators. So let us take the LCM. Dear students, let's factorize the denominator of the first rational expression, 4x square plus y square divided by, now a square minus b square means a plus b times a minus b. So this is, by using the formula of a square minus b square, we have got two factors. First one is a plus b, that means 2x plus y, and the second factor is a minus b, that means 2x minus y. So we have to factorize the denominator at first. Then keeping the second part as it is. Dear students, now already we have factorized the denominators. Now after factorizing the denominators, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So let's take the LCM. So dear students, we know that LCM is equal to common factor into remaining factor. That means common factor times remaining factor. So let's take the common factor, 2x plus y and 2x plus y. So 2x plus y and 2x plus y is the common factor, and remaining factor is 2x minus y. Dear students, after taking the LCM of denominators, according to the basic rule of simplification of rational expression, after taking the LCM, we have to divide the LCM by each denominator. That means we have to divide the LCM by the first, we have divided LCM by the denominator of the first rational expression, and again we have to divide the LCM by the denominator of the second rational expression. So if we divide 2x plus y and 2x minus y by 2x plus y and 2x minus y, they are same. So they will cancel, then we get the quotient 1. So 2x plus y and 2x plus y, 2x minus y, 2x minus y, they will cancel. We get 1. So 1 times 4x square plus y square. So after dividing the LCM by the denominator, we get the quotient, and the quotient we have to multiply with the numerator. Minus now 2x minus y. Let's write down at first the numerator. Dear students, again we have to divide the LCM by the denominator of the second rational expression. So when we divide 2x plus y, 2x minus y by 2x plus y, then 2x plus y and 2x plus y will cancel. Then we get the remaining factor 2x minus y. That means we'll get the quotient 2x minus y, and 2x minus y will multiply to the numerator. So 2x minus y times 2x minus y. Dear students, now the next step is we have to open the bracket. That means 1 times 4x square plus y square, we get 4x square plus 1 times y square. So if we multiply 4x square plus y square by 1, then again we'll get the same expression. That means we'll get 4x square plus y square. Dear students, now 2x minus y and 2x minus y. That means we can write 2x minus y whole square, because we know that a minus b times a minus b is equal to a minus b whole square. So 2x minus y times 2x minus y, we get 2x minus y whole square. Dear students, now let's write down the denominator as it is, 2x plus y, 2x minus y. Dear students, now we have to expand 2x minus y whole square. So let's write down 4x square plus y square as it is. The first part 4x square plus y square as it is. Now we can expand 2x minus y whole square by using the formula of a minus b whole square. Dear students, we know that the formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we expand 2x minus y whole square by using the formula of a minus b whole square, then we get a square. A square means 2x whole square. So 2x whole square minus 2ab means 2 times 2x and y. So 2 times 2x and y. Dear students, so we have used the formula of a minus b whole square to expand the expression 2x minus y whole square. So we have got a square means 2x whole square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab means 2 times 2x times y plus y square divided by 2x plus y times 2x minus y. Dear students, let's simplify it further. 4x square plus y square as it is. Now 2x whole square, 2 to the 4, that means we get 4x square, and minus plus we get minus, so we have to open the bracket with the minus sign also. Minus minus plus 2 to the 4 xy minus plus minus, that means we get minus y square. keeping 2x plus y and 2x minus y as it is. So dear students, now we are almost in the last step of the simplification. 4x square and minus 4x square we can cancel because they are equal and opposite in sign. So if any two terms are equal and opposite in sign, then we can cancel, because 4x square minus 4x square, we get 4 minus 4, 0. Again, plus y square and minus y square, they are equal but opposite in sign, so we can cancel plus y square and minus y square. So dear students, after cancelling, we have got the remaining term 4xy. We have got the remaining term 4xy. Now let's combine the denominator, 2x plus y times 2x minus y. So dear students, these two terms are in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So we know that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So let's write down a plus b times a minus b means a square minus b square. So dear students, now at last we get 4xy divided by 2x whole square. That means 2 to the 4, 4x square minus y square, y square. So dear students, this is the required solution of the simplification of the given two rational expression, which is 4xy divided by 4x square minus y square, which is the answer of this question. So dear students, I hope that you have understood the simplification of the given two simple algebraic expression, the solution of the simplification of two rational expressions. So thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye, have a nice day. Thank you.